Welcome to 4DX Design, your ultimate source for all things home design, architecture, and interior inspiration. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
A tiny balcony is transformed into a cozy patio with clever design ideas and simple DIY projects. This video offers practical and stylish solutions for maximizing space and creating a relaxing outdoor oasis, perfect for small apartment living. Show a cluttered, drab, uninviting balcony. Highlight common problems: lack of space, harsh sunlight, lack of privacy, lack of seating. Relate to viewers' own small space struggles, creating a sense of shared experience. Showcase a before photo of the balcony with clear problems. Present a mood board or inspiration photos of cozy patios with specific elements viewers will want. Transition to a after photo of the balcony, now transformed into a beautiful patio. Demonstrate simple but effective solutions like adding greenery, storage solutions, and a comfy seating area. Show how to maximize space with vertical gardening, compact furniture, and clever storage solutions. Emphasize the use of budget-friendly materials and DIY techniques for a personalized touch. Focus on adding personality with decorative accents, string lights, and soft lighting. Showcase how to create a welcoming ambience with cozy textures and warm colors. Encourage viewers to personalize the space with meaningful objects and souvenirs. Show viewers relaxing and enjoying their newly transformed balcony. Highlight the benefits of creating a peaceful and inspiring outdoor space. Encourage viewers to embrace their own small spaces and create their dream outdoor oasis. A cozy outdoor patio area with a brick house. A spacious wooden deck, with a warm, rich brown hue, is the focal point. Rustic brick walls form the backdrop, adorned with hanging plants in terracotta pots, cascading down from a metal bracket structure. The brickwork displays a mix of warm orange-brown and reddish tones, creating a weathered, lived-in aesthetic. Large windows of the house afford a glimpse into the interior, which seems furnished with a comfortable warmth. A gray couch, with patterned cushions, sits comfortably on the deck, alongside various potted plants in different shapes and sizes. The scene is filled with lush greenery, including ferns, leafy plants, and foliage cascading down the walls. A vibrant, hyperrealistic rendering of a boho chic balcony at sunset. Rustic brick walls, a woven tapestry hanging on the wall, and a stylish, wicker patio set with multicolored throw pillows and cushions are central elements. A large, colorful, patterned rug spans the floor, featuring rich reds, pinks, oranges, blues, and greens. The furniture and rug combine to create a warm, inviting ambience. Multiple potted plants, including succulents and larger tropical plants, decorate the space, creating a lush, verdant backdrop against the brick backdrop. A city skyline with buildings and trees is visible through the balcony railing, with a warm golden sunset color cast over the scene behind the plants and buildings. A cozy outdoor patio setting, warm evening light. Romantic, impressionistic style. Rustic teal-gray wooden cabin with a rose-covered wall. 3 sets of tall windows, in the center windows, an arrangement of warm white string lights hangs, adding a soft glow and creating a beautiful ambience. 2 wicker armchairs with peachy coral and dark brown cushions on a wooden deck. Small low side table with a coffee cup and saucer and a plant pot of red roses. 2 lanterns and candles add a warm glow. Wicker baskets for plants add to the natural feel. A modern, expansive penthouse rooftop terrace at dusk. Hyper-realistic, with a focus on the spacious, luxurious feel. The view encompasses a cityscape at twilight, with mountains in the background. The terrace features a large sectional sofa set, upholstered in light gray/taupe fabric, with various throw pillows in warm earth tones. A small, dark-colored coffee table sits at the center of the seating area. Plenty of greenery, potted plants, and lush foliage add to the outdoor ambience. The terrace is made of light wooden decking. Large floor-to-ceiling sliding glass doors lead to the interior of the penthouse. A modern, open-plan living area and kitchen are visible through the glass, featuring warm wood tones, metallic accents, and hints of brass tones reflected in the glass. A winter cityscape balcony, hyper-realistic. A wooden deck, covered with a thin layer of fresh snow, extends across the balcony overlooking a city in the early evening. A comfortable gray sectional sofa with various patterned throw pillows sits on the deck, along with a gray tufted ottoman. Brick walls form the backdrop, and large windows provide a view through to a city with tall buildings. A small Christmas tree decorated with string lights is visible near the sofa. Small potted plants and succulents add pops of green and life in the colder scene. The buildings and trees are subtly dusted with snow, showing the soft, muted tones of a winter evening. A modern, multi-level residential building with extensive vertical green walls and lush gardens. Hyper-realistic rendering of a contemporary home, situated amidst a verdant landscape. Dark gray concrete exterior walls are adorned with various sizes of plant pots and hanging planters, creating a dense, vibrant green aesthetic. The interior features large windows overlooking outdoor spaces, showing a comfortable living room area with furniture, and a kitchen area. Warm, golden ambient lighting highlights the plants and interiors, casting a pleasant glow on the scene while showing the contrast of light and dark between the interior and exterior. A serene, expansive outdoor patio, styled in a traditional Japanese garden aesthetic. Hyper-realistic rendering of a veranda with a bamboo blind overhead, overlooking a meticulously landscaped garden. The color palette is rich, featuring warm browns of the wooden decking and bamboo shades, muted greens of the foliage, and dark gray-brown tones of the rocks. Visible through the railing, distant trees and buildings create a deep, ambient perspective. Multiple bonsai trees, various in size, are placed around a small, simple wooden table set amidst gravel-covered ground areas. Soft, light gray cushions, similar to tatami mats, are laid on the wooden floor, providing a place for relaxation. Large, intricately patterned rocks are nestled among the plants. A vibrant, hyper-realistic balcony scene at sunset. A wooden deck, patterned with a Bohemian rug, features comfortable gray seating with orange and patterned cushions. A round, dark brown woven chair sits amongst lush greenery and potted succulents, with various plants growing along the railing and on the deck. The view from the balcony is a lush green forest, stretching out to a sun-drenched horizon. Warm, golden hues of sunset paint the sky, with clouds and natural lighting effects cast across the scene. The balcony's concrete walls are a muted gray, contrasted with the vivid colors of the sunset and plants. A spacious, modern, penthouse-level outdoor terrace, seamlessly blending indoor and outdoor living spaces. Sleek, dark gray architecture with large sliding glass doors offering a panoramic view of a cityscape. The terrace showcases a comfortable, contemporary sectional sofa setup upholstered in gray and orange throw pillows and cushions, in warm ambient lighting. The flooring is a light-toned, wooden deck. Various houseplants enhance the space, creating a tranquil and luxurious atmosphere. The cityscape is visible beyond the railing, featuring high-rise buildings in various tones of gray and white against a cloudy sky. A spacious, sun-drenched outdoor lounge area, hyperrealistic in style, featuring a Moroccan-inspired aesthetic. The setting is a balcony or patio with a whitewashed stucco wall, wooden beamed ceiling, and arched doorway with intricate, patterned tilework. Large, arched windows with dark frames offer a panoramic view of a landscape, perhaps a seaside or mountain vista, with a suggestion of distant city. Plants, including palm trees, flowering shrubs, and hanging vines, are strategically placed throughout the space, adding a vibrant touch of greenery. Warm, earthy colors dominate the scene, including terracotta, burnt orange, deep blues, mustard yellow, and rich reds. A luxurious rooftop terrace at sunset, hyperrealistic, with a city skyline in the background. Warm, golden hour light bathes the scene, highlighting the lush tropical plants and light beige/tan colors of the furniture and outdoor rug. A modern, light brown wooden pergola provides shade. A sectional outdoor sofa, with light beige cushions, sits centered on an area rug on the terrace floor. The flooring is light wood-tone tiles. The wall behind the seating area is a striking textured wallpaper, reminiscent of bleached wood or bark. There are strategically placed potted plants of various tropical species, creating a dense, vibrant green backdrop. The glass railing offers an unobstructed view of the cityscape below, with modern skyscrapers and various architectural styles. A spacious, modern balcony office space, hyperrealistic. Wooden beams and paneling create a warm, natural aesthetic. Dark gray and beige/tan color palette. Large windows offer a verdant view of trees and a city skyline. A built-in shelving unit, filled with various potted plants, vertically divides the space. A dark gray sectional sofa provides seating. A contemporary, light brown leather office chair, a desk with a Mac computer, a round wooden coffee table, and a slim, metal, column-shaped side table are in the space.
Don't forget to visit YouTube:4DX Design channel for even more inspiration, curated products, and exclusive offers. Subscribe now and let the magic of design unfold before your eyes. Thanks.